Well, we've learned that Muskogee Creek Nation's second chief, Del Beaver, has tested positive for COVID-19. Just another example that every day we see climbing COVID cases, and every day our first responders put their lives on the line to protect people during this pandemic.
Some heroes you never see in public. They work behind the scenes. And today, the city of Tulsa mourns the death of 911 dispatcher Joey Phillips. The fire department honored him on Facebook, saying, "The voice that kept you safe and informed. The last voice that told you to wear your seatbelts when you went out on a call."
Last month, Tulsa police lost Officer Jared Lindsay to COVID-19 complications. Many agencies feeling the harsh impact of COVID-19. 2 Works for You's KJRH found the Tulsa County Sheriff's Office is growing concerned about the numbers.
Tulsa County Sheriff Vic Regalado says they're already operating at a minimum and they're getting spread even more thin as COVID cases rise.
We are at a crisis mode here at the Sheriff's Office.
The Tulsa County Sheriff's Office seeing an increase in its COVID numbers in the past month. As of Wednesday, there are 11 active cases within detention staff, 3 active cases in deputies, and 2 to 3 deputies in quarantine. While those numbers may not seem like a lot, they are.
A deputy can impact us in a negative way because we have to fill that spot and then backfill. And so really, when you lose 1, you're losing 3.
Sheriff Vic Regalado says they've spent close to $1 million on overtime so far and are now preparing for a worst-case scenario.
Redirecting deputies to essential parts like patrol, courthouse security, and of course, the running of the jail.
When it comes to other local first responder agencies, as of Wednesday, Tulsa police tell us 66 staff are in quarantine. That number includes officers, civilians, and dispatch. Tulsa Fire Department has 108 members under quarantine and 58 under self-monitor. And the Eastern Division of EMSA has 11 team members in quarantine for COVID and 8 isolated for other illnesses. All of these men and women working hard and putting themselves at risk every day.
But people do need to know that first responders and medical staff, things like that, we're looking at some serious problems, especially if the infection rate goes up.
In Tulsa, KJRH, 2 Works for You.